In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in San Francisco. Let's make this quick and stress-free. Before you begin, grab your ticket or any court notice you received. The easiest way to look up your case is with your citation or case number, but your driver's license and personal details can also work if you don't have those numbers handy. Start by heading to the official court payment website. You'll use the online portal provided by the court system to handle traffic and minor offense payments. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Pay Traffic or Minor Offense Ticket. Click that to open the payment portal. If it opens in a new tab, that's normal. When the portal loads, you'll be prompted to enter your ticket details. Type in your citation number, case number, or your driver's license information, along with any other requested personal details. Take a moment to double check what you enter. Small typos can prevent the system from finding your case. If your ticket was issued very recently, it can take a few days to appear online, so try again later if it doesn't show up right away. Once your case is located, review everything carefully. Confirm the violation type, the total amount due, often called the bail amount, and the due date. The total usually includes the base fine, plus mandatory fees and assessments, so don't be surprised if it's higher than the face value of the citation. If something doesn't look right, pause here and contact the court for clarification before paying. When you're ready to proceed, choose Pay Citation or Pay Fine. Enter your debit or credit card details exactly as they appear on the card. Some portals add a small convenience fee for online payments. You'll see that disclosed before you submit. Make sure your billing address matches your card to avoid declines, then submit the payment. The system will process it securely through the court's processor. After payment goes through, save your confirmation immediately. Download the receipt or take a clear screenshot and note the confirmation or reference number. Keep this with your records as proof of payment. In many cases, you'll also receive an email confirmation, but it's smart to keep your own copy. If you check your case online later, allow some time for the status to update to paid. A quick tip before we wrap up. Paying a ticket can be treated as a conviction. If you're considering options like traffic school or need more time to pay, check your eligibility and court instructions in advance, then follow the portal's prompts accordingly. That's it. You're done.